I will make an earthquake.
Eric, how was school today?
It was good.
Let's watch the news.
Hello, this is the news. Today's breaking news is that Eric made an earthquake at Neptune Middle School in Kissimmee, Florida. As you see here, the sign and other things were destroyed in the earthquake. Here I am with the principal at Neptune Middle School.
Eric, if you are watching this, you are suspended until you pay for the damages.
Back to the newsroom. Thank you for watching GNN News.
Eric, how dare you make an earthquake at school? That is it, you are grounded for 9000000000000672100 years.